Welcome to our state-of-the-art clinic management software, designed to optimize your daily operations and elevate the quality of patient care. To access the patient entry main page, simply click on the main button. To select a name that has already been saved, click on the patient name option. Alternatively, you may input a new name, which will automatically be saved in the database to minimize manual data entry. In addition to the patient's name, you will also be prompted to enter their address, mobile number, and date of birth. You can record the patient's temperature and weight, as well as highlight any abnormal readings. Under the Family History, Mother History, Baby History, Past History, and Contacts History sections, you may record any relevant medical information. In the Chief Complaints section, you can select a complaint from the pre-organized alphabetical list, or input your own complaint if it is not available. By clicking on the Examination button, you will be directed to the examination page. You can record findings from head to toe. For example, you can record details such as facial paralysis and sucking blisters. Alternatively, you can write your own examination if not available in the list. In the Diagnosis section, you can select a complaint from the pre-organized alphabetical list, or abdominal distension and expulsion of worms. All selected diagnoses will be displayed here. Or you can input your own diagnosis if it is not available on the list or don't want to use it. Or you can also select the diagnosis from the drop-down menu box. All the diagnosis of the drop-down menu will be added to the diagnosis here. If a diagnosis is not available in the list, you can type it and it will be automatically added to the list for future use. By clicking on the Investigations Tests button, opens investigation page. You can advise on any necessary medical tests, such as FBC, HB and Widal, or input your own investigations. In the Prescription section, you can advise on medications by selecting from the provided list. You may also input details such as frequency, dosage, duration, and intake type, and include any additional notes as necessary. If a medication is not available on the list, you may add it manually, and it will be saved for future use. If you need to refer the patient to another medical professional or facility, you can add notes to that effect. You may also select the patient's next visit date and choose to print the prescription. In addition, you may indicate if the patient refuses admission or intravenous. You have the option to adjust the font size as needed. And you may also select the free option if the patient's checkup is free of charge. The prescription print status is clearly displayed. And you may print the prescription on blank paper with a predefined format, or on pre-printed letterhead. To add a new patient or search for an existing patient, simply click on the Add New Patient button. You can search for an existing patient by ID, mobile number, name, or address, and view their recorded medical history. You may also search for all patients within the same family, based on their shared mobile number. By clicking on the mobile number, you can view the medical history of other family members recorded with the same number. Additionally, you can write an opinion referral letter within the software. This is final print out of the prescription. The software can be customized according to your needs. For purchasing the software of free trial, please contact Dr. Saddam Hussein Khan. Contact number 0346 934 4266. Thank you.